Dear Jadevertu friends, distributors and partners from all over the country, I'm Tianyan Lu. I'm here at the factory today to show you how ancient Jadevertu process works, let you know more about Jadevertu's craftsmanship, Jadevertu's quality. Come on, let's take a look at our factory. In fact, our factory is a small and beautiful factory. Here is the interior of the factory. You see, we have a small lake view pavilion. Then two sides are annex building. Then the front is the main building. A very exquisite small factory. But we participated in Alibaba's Wu Super Factory competition. Come on, let's start today by looking at what we actually produce at Jadevertu. Please, follow me. This is our showroom. Walk into. You can see all kinds of artwork. Overflowing color. The world liuli trophies. Please see the side. You can see the trophy gallery. This is the liuli trophy we've developed over the past 10 years. You can find trophies in various shapes and themes suitable for various award scene, large size and small size. Today we have a general overview of these and some crystal trophies modeling. The most important thing about trophies is that they reflect the values and culture of the company. So we have customized a variety of trophies for many of the world's leading companies, including Naval Trophy, Haier Group, Wenwen Group, and so on. Of course, also customized the trophy for the Wu Super engineering competition. Since we visit the factory today, we need to know the details of the process. There are trade secrets here. Then I'm going to take you on a journey to explore. In fact, for any product, firstly, the designer will design draft flat graphics, how to turn it into a three-dimensional figure. We need a clay sculptor to turn a flat design into a three-dimensional clay model. After the original mold is made, how to turn into liuli trophy through the wax molding process. Follow me. What do you see? Rows and rows of neatly trimmed wax molds. These wax molds have a very low melting point, so it is easy to do wax. Now our workers are repairing the molds. These molds have to be drawn well. If the molds are repaired well, the final liuli product will be made well. Hey, do you want to know where wax models come from? The wax mold. It's a very low melting point wax that's poured into a silicone mold, and then it's poured into a silicone mold. Then it's peeled off. The master is peeling one right now. Take a look at this one. This is silicone mold, peeled out to look like a wax mold. Look, so the silicone mold, it is most central process of the waxing casting method. High temperature can be easily shaped. The final product should be exactly the same shape. How does the waxing casting work? Come on, let's take a look. Put the wax mold into the high temperature plaster mold. Go to the steam oven. After the high temperature steam, the wax will peel off. What does the plaster mold look like? This is the plaster mold. After the waxing, you can see it to be a hollow mold. It will be put liuli material inside mold and then put it into the furnace. Walk into the furnace room. You will feel the temperature is very high. Do you know how many degrees? The final high temperature of each furnace has to be 900 degrees. Each furnace will be burned nearly 7 days and 7 nights. Burn out of liuli products. You can see here, our workers just knocked out. This is the link of the molding. That's why we call it one mold, one product. Each plaster mold can only produce one product. Look at this liuli. You can look at it under the light. You can see the color flowing of liuli with very warm texture. These are finalized liuli trophies. Here are goddess trophy. And these liuli trophies have to be finished and polished. So liuli is called coming from fire and going into water. Let's look at the grinding process. How to make the finished product. Let's go. For each liuli product, the master has to grind every corner with various kinds of grinders, then can show the fine surface of liuli. Next, I take you to see our trophy engraving, how to carve out. Trophy engraving will have a variety of processes: sand engraving, UV printing, color printing, laser engraving. We're a one-stop shop for customized products. Come on, let me show you. This is our UV printer. Can print colorful logos. This is color printing printers. Color printing trophy is very popular in the market through this machine to achieve the color print. This is laser engraving machine. It can be engraved the text on the surface of the crystal to meet personalized customization. This is the sand blaster. It has a gun muzzle at the top, then will blast that fine sand to engrave. Next, we will see our package workshop. Follow me. We'll finish the last step of filling with colors, package, and quality control. Now it is in packing process, packaging our finished products. Each box is lined with silk inside. Cardboard are more thicker to protect the trophy. At the last, we will use export carton to pack them. The carton is thick, reach 1 centimeter thick, which more higher than standards. After finished package, for corners of carton are added for corner protectors. Well, friends, today I take you to look the complete process of Jadevertu, how each process is completed. We can see that each process is handmade. Then our liuli is handmade works, so the price is higher than other crystal trophies. All have its reasoning. This is the end of our visit to the factory. Jadevertu as a source factory, with 20 years, each process to ensure quality, to allow customers to really afford to buy an assured trophy, a satisfactory trophy, a trophy that can resonate with your honor.